This is a tip on how to subtotal rows. Quite simple. When you're in the job sheet, you've got a bunch of rows and you may want to subtotal some of them. Select those that you want to subtotal, right mouse click, and then choose the subtotal rows option. This box appears and then you can put a heading in, so I'll just call this sub floor, and I like to put again sub floor in the footer, because it's actually the footer in some reports that show. For instance, if you're going to end up submitting a quote or an invoice and you wanted to hide some information, you could hide everything in the subtotal and just show the subfloor total and not the actual individual line items. Okay, so we save that, and now we've got the subtotal, and if I scroll along we can see those items subtotaled with the one item underneath that we didn't subtotal. If we come down into the costing, we can run a costing report. I'll just preview that on the screen, and here we are on the costing report. Hang on a minute, got that wrong. Just be careful you get these boxes ticked here. So if I tick them all again, it cycles through and selects them, and now we're good to do that preview of the job costing. So here we go here. All the subtotals with the one item excluded from that subtotal. It also will do it on job sheets. It won't show you the subtotal of the actual value because you don't want it necessarily on job sheets, but it may be quite handy when breaking down the job for the guys, assuming they don't have laptops in the field or PDAs. So there you have it, another smart trade tip.